guide you to post reel automatically on hundreds of fan pages by marketing software. This is the main interface of the page software. Help us manage unlimited fan page on Facebook. Here we can see I have more than 200 Facebook accounts. And the Facebook accounts, we can use this to create pages automatic. And we've created a page that we can use. Real video posting means short videos on the Facebook platform. I'll post it for you now. First, we select the account. For example, I chose this account. There are 28 pages. This is the ID of this page. The account ID is the name of the page. Now I'm going to post a reel video automatically. And set up some configurations such as posting a video one by one page. And then I'll interact with that video. And comment on video, the comment I left. Main channel content here. Next I will choose the videos to post. I will go to the video selection. We will go to the folders to select. These are the videos that I already have. I downloaded from the software. Automatic video download and edit. Select all these videos. Click here to select all videos. Press save. I have a total of 348 videos. The next part we have is random posts of videos and delete the videos that have been successfully posted so that there is no duplicate video. All of this is set up. And now I'm going to run to post the video. We'll have the automatic scheduling part as well. I'm not going to schedule now, though. Now I just need to select the accounts. The fan page. All these fan pages to go automatic posting. And a little more when it's done. We'll have the results in the history section. My clip. This is the end. In a moment I will show the results. Live for everyone to see. By everyone.